Hi, I'm Jason. I'm a dental assisting student here at Oulton College. I had worked on student loans myself, but I had some issues about finances and I needed someone to talk to. So I'd contacted Marcia at the financial advisors here at Oulton College, and she had answered all of my questions perfectly, and she was such a wonderful help. As well as Marcia was able to secure the full funding for the dental assisting program. I always wanted to work in the health sciences, but I wasn't super confident in being like a nurse or a paramedic. But I wanted something that I could really focus my specialty on. And so teeth and dental just called to me. Dental assisting is what I chose over dental hygiene, mostly because I didn't have the university credits just to go into hygiene yet. But I also wasn't sure if being in the dental field was exactly what I wanted to do. So going for dental assisting and being able to just assist people and help the dentist would really help secure my interest in dental. After you go on your 5-week practicum, they help you secure a job, or they help you even find places to go for your practicum, and they have so many resources, and it's really easy and nice to be able to have a job right after college. Having hands-on right after learning theory in class helps so much. It helps cement it in your brain. And it really helps pull things all together. The advice that I have for new students, whether it's assisting or hygiene, is just to have good morale. You're going to need to boost yourself up and to build yourself up, and as long as you are confident in yourself, you'll go far.